Going on a little walk here. Got a raven right here. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. But I'm going on the Lake Shore Trail. Goes right out along the Jackson Lake. I think that's what it is. Here's the beach. Man, sure hazy out. That was hazy last time I was here. This is even more so. Yeah. Okay, but I'm gonna go head on that walk now. You'll be going out to that little land. There's kind of like a peninsula, a land bridge over to there. That's where the trail is. Gonna be going on that. But there's the Grand Teton. Hazy as can be. Oh well, still pretty. There we go, Lake Shore Trail 1.1 mile loop. It's right up here. I'm going to cross this little land bridge, which actually is not too little now. The water is super low. Last time I was here, I did that walk 5 years ago. Water was way up here. Man alive, that water is amazingly low. Man alive. Yeah, the water was way up here. But let's go on that trail, the Lake Shore Trail. Lake Shore Trail both ways. Last time I went that way, and I am going to do it again. Same direction. Man, walking through here, I can really smell the pine. Really strong pine scent. Beautiful. Love that scent. Man, that smells good. I'm walking through the woods quite a ways. Just emerging out of the trees right now. There's the lake shore. There's the Grand Teton. About as good as we're going to see them. I think I'm going to go down and touch the water at least. Okay, right next to the water, Kind of looks cruddy. I want to reach down and touch the spot, but I want to touch where it's clear. I'm not going to walk out into it. Oh man. Oh well. Guess I'm just going to have to. Of course, not cold. Yeah. I'm going to head back up to the trail. Whoa, I just had a bear across the path right up there. Black bear. Ah, man. Got my bear bell. Okay, so there are bears out on this little patch of the island lake thing. Okay, I tried getting the camera out one time, but it didn't work. Yeah, I think I'm going to go walk on the shore instead up on the trail. Oh, there it is. Hey, hey, hey. There he goes. Okay. Yeah, he's going over back that way, so I can go this way. Okay, I get to see it. All right. Now I'll go walk down on the lakeshore instead of on the trail. Okay, I've come down quite a ways from where the bear was actually right around the bend. I've walked on the shore for quite a while right now. And there was a family up there. I told them about the bear, so there was one up there. And I don't know what they're doing. They were standing there waiting for quite a while. Last I saw, looks like they weren't going to go that way. I don't know. But at least they know. But luckily the water's really low, so I can walk way down here. It's pretty thick up there, so there we go. Just gonna walk down here instead. Okay, I walked almost the whole way around now. Thought I better stop here and look back. You kind of see the Grand Tetons back there. And there's the beach over there that I passed earlier. And I'm just walking along the shoreline here. I'm just going to go follow it all the way over there, and then I'll cut over to civilization. But no sign of any bears ever since that one back there. But okay. More wildlife. Okay, well, not too much further to go. Okay, now I'm back on the trail again. basically walked the whole way around on the shore. Of course, I was on the trail through there to the other side where I saw the bear, and then I switched over and walked on shore. More on that side. But yeah. Okay, now it's not far back to the parking lot. Okay, back at camp, I just read the note. My brother went to go get firewood, ice, and he was gonna fill up on gas. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that's where he is. So I'm just gonna pull the chair out and just sit here and wait for him to get back.